Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to change default notification sound in oppo phone. So let us start our video. Move on the setting icon. After that you will see many options here. Scroll up some more, and here you will see many options. You have to click on the sound and vibration option. Here you will see. After that scroll up some more, and here you will see default notification sound option. Click on that, and here you will see many tone. Choose the tone which you want to change on the default notification. Firstly, play tone. I want that one. Click on that. After that click on the back option. Here you will see default notification sound is changed in this way in our mobile phone. After that click on the back option. So I hope this video helps you to change default notification sound in your mobile phone. If this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.